Here's something fascinating about week 2. You still might not be pregnant yet. Pregnancy is counted from the first day of your last period, so these early weeks are all about preparation. But now, things are really starting to shift. Your body is entering one of the most important phases of your cycle. Throughout this week, your body is preparing for ovulation. Inside your ovary, several tiny fluid-filled follicles begin to develop, each one containing an immature egg. One of these follicles becomes dominant, nurturing and maturing its egg, getting it ready for release. At the same time, rising hormone levels are preparing your uterus. The lining begins to thicken, becoming rich with blood supply, creating the perfect environment for a fertilized egg to implant. So what are the 3 most important biological developments happening right now? First, ovulation. Around the middle or end of this week, your ovary releases a mature egg. Second, fertilization. If sperm is present and successfully reaches the egg, they unite to form a single cell, called a zygote. And third, rapid cell division. From that very first moment, this single cell begins dividing again and again. 2 cells, 4, 8, becoming a tiny cluster of hundreds of cells. Think of this week as a magnificent spark of creation. Your body has prepared the ultimate welcoming environment, and the egg, the guest of honor, is finally released. When the egg meets the sperm, they join together and immediately begin multiplying, traveling down a cozy pathway, the fallopian tube, like a tiny rolling snowball, growing as it moves, searching for the perfect place to settle and grow in your uterus. As this journey continues, the developing cluster of cells moves steadily toward the uterus, quietly preparing for the next stage, implantation. At this point, everything is still microscopic. In fact, you won't feel pregnant yet. Because implantation hasn't happened, your body hasn't started producing pregnancy hormones. So for now, everything feels completely normal. And that can feel confusing, because something so significant may already be unfolding, completely unnoticed. Even though you can't feel it, something incredible may already be in motion. A microscopic beginning, on a journey toward becoming new life.